All right, so in the next lesson, you're going to tackle the interactive challenge where you have to write the code and I will check your solutions behind the scenes. So this is what you should see. This is the BMI calculator challenge, and there's a little bit of a description about what BMIs are and what they're used for. Now, the most important thing is that I've included the formula to calculate the BMI, which is the weight divided by the height squared. And this is weight in kilograms and height in meters. So your challenge is to create a function that takes the weight and the height as inputs, like so, and to be able to give the output, which is going to be equal to the BMI. So that if I run this line of code using the function that you create, which is going to be called BMI calculator, I should be able to get the BMI inside this variable called BMI. Now, the order of your inputs matter in this case. You're going to have to put the weight as an input first and then the height as an input in order to satisfy this line of code. So you can copy what's inside the index.js file in here, and you can paste it into the snippets tool here to write your code and to test your code inside the Chrome Developer Tools and use the console. So if you're here, you can activate this line of code and try to write your function here so that when you console log your BMI variable, you should be getting the same value back as any BMI calculator online. Now, once you're happy with your function, then you can go ahead and click Check Solution in order to check to see if you got it right. And once you're done, then you can go ahead and continue on to the next lesson, where I'll go through the solution with you step by step.